Can you hear me? Can you tell? I'm standing today. Can you tell that? I'm putting my standing desk to use. And I'm standing, but I can't just like stand and code. I have to I get really bored if I'm just standing. So I actually have like a balance board. So I'm gonna be like probably super wiggly today. But whatever. Welcome! Welcome. Welcome. I'm glad you can join me. Apparently my shirt's color is too similar to the green screen and I'm like kind of invisible. Didn't think brown could do that. I want to remind everybody to hit that command today. Conference is coming up. We've got less than a month. You can attend in person or online. It is the only American-based in-person conference left this year. Oh my goodness. Why on earth? Okay, let's move that camera closer. See, I'm trying to like get the height right so that the green screen still shows, like without cutting my head off. There we go. Yeah, you gotta hit that conference. Gotta go to that conference. Okay. So, first thing first, Twitch server's not working. So, Curtis McKee, that's a follow from today. I broke it. let me just show you. I've been trying to fix some of my error stuff. So I need to source my secrets. And then if I do the bash run, it would actually be dev run, I believe. We should start everything up and it'll error. How are you guys doing today? You having a good weekend? Well, I guess it's only weekend for some of you. It's weekend for me. Thanks for that follow, Jinx and Kit. I appreciate that follow. We're one more closer to my goal of trying to break 200 and then surpass that 200. Oh, welcome, Wildest Times. Yeah, October's great. We're October 1st. That means we're well into fall. It's almost Halloween. I was playing Animal Crossing today, and they reminded me that it is Halloween this month, and that there will be hijinks for Halloween on Animal Crossing, and I was surprised. I haven't had to think about Halloween for years. So we have a pointer failure somewhere in our connection. So let's main.go, and then we'll hit that Twitch connection line 59. Twitch connection.go line 59. Is this the access token? Oh, is it not getting set up yet? I must have changed the ordering. Set up Twitch. So it should not connect to the IRC until after the auth is performed. So we have set up Twitch, right? We run gRPC, run gateway, set up Twitch, does auth Twitch, and inside auth Twitch is where that gets called. And the reason it's inside auth Twitch is, I don't know. We might even be able to pull that out. Right, the connect happens right here, and it's supposed to happen after this is set up. Let's defer that. Defer. Actually, no. We need to stick a wait here, or else. Because the reason I'm sticking a wait here is because we have to wait. Oh my goodness. We have to wait for that to get set up. Not that. That doesn't help anybody. The token has to, right? Somebody should learn how to spell connect. Look at this. Oh, my goodness. Ugh. Okay, guys, so I've got a question for you. for all 3 of you watching. You can look, you can see the words through my headphones, because I've been messing with the chroma key. And making me a little bit more translucent. And I'm also right now standing on 1 foot. Standing desk or no? What's your vote? Also, let's throw a poll up here. Oh. Actually, let's run this. We should be able to just do go run, may not go now. Wait, IRC is not defined. Oh, I have to do it on that wait group. Derp. Wait group dot wait. Oh my goodness. You'd think I hadn't typed for 4 weeks. But I have. I have been typing. Have been typing. Oh. So, let's try you again. Not Twitch off. We're already there. Term. Go run, may not go. What? I thought we could just hit wait. What do you mean we have to throw a number in there? See, that's just a wait group wait. Oh, I added the number because I can't type. Derp. Derp, 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 da, da, da. So, question, let's throw, okay, just throw your answers in the chat. Why do you guys watch coding on Twitch? It looks like I fixed my wait group issue. That token's now working. So, what as you can tell, that we used to have science and technology, and now they've created an entire, an entire software channel, tag, category, whatever they call these. They have an entire software category now. Oh. So, why do you watch software on Twitch? Why do you watch the live software streaming? Throw your answer in chat because I need the chat. Chat is how I make sure this is working. I have to see the chat pop up in the standard out. At least I thought it came up in the standard out. So, throw your answers in chat. Why do you watch software streaming? Or me. Maybe you don't watch software streaming and you just like me. I'm good with that. Yes. Navigate code with him. Oh, thanks for liking me. Wildest times. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Looks like, let's check that database connection. Make sure those are getting posted. And your emojis are popping up. See, look at that. The emoji screen's working. Classico. It's fun for me to see what other people are working on. Sometimes I get nice tips and new ways to do things. Agreed. Actually, by coding, I end up getting nice tips and new ways to do things. People will write stuff in the chat, and I feel like I learn more from the chat than I do from breaking things. Which I do break things quite often. We don't need to upgrade you. And let's make sure we're not writing anything to the database. Which means these are broken. But that's fine. We're going to be working on the database anyway here in a minute. Oh, you're here to learn Go. Depending on who you talk to, I may not write the best Go. I think I write amazing Go. I mean, I give talks on it. do all kinds of things. Okay. But you know, what could I say? But some people just don't like my Go. It's fine. I just basically claim sexism whenever somebody disagrees with me. Usually it's true. That's the funny thing. Usually people only disagree with me because I'm female. It's great. Okay, so I want to mess with my database. Right now I'm using Docker Compose and I'm only storing the messages in the Docker Compose, in the Docker volumes themselves, but I want to mount the Docker volumes locally, right? So basically I want to have my Docker container attach to the local volumes of Postgres. So that way my chats persist across streams, right? So that way I can have a historical record of all of the chats that are stored for all my Twitch chats. All of the Twitch chats get stored. That way I don't lose them, because sometimes people post links that are like super helpful and then I don't get them. You know, those kinds of things. Cool. So look at that. We should, just for my sake, we're just gonna print a DB ping, and I will move that above the return. I know this is unreachable code. But this is just my sanity check. Can you hear me okay? My mic's not actually that close to me. I can move it closer. How's that? That should be better. Cables everywhere. I actually cleaned up most of my cables, but though, yeah. Cool. That's not what I wanted. Sanity check. Cool. And now, let's go ahead and we'll follow. I have, my friend actually created these instructions when he mounted them locally, and then he was good enough to share them with me. His name is Josh Bowles. You can find him on none of the social medias, maybe LinkedIn. His LinkedIn is actually referenced from my website. And then also some of his GitHubs. But like he pretends to not participate in social media, which is really funny because I met him on Twitter. But he pretends to not participate in social media. So yeah, we're just gonna start with the setup special DB settings, some blogs I found useful. This blog, Postgres and Docker, that blog. Make a data directory for your Postgres version, create network with hash ID and a Postgres container. I think I already did this, actually. I don't want you. So if I go to my history, Oh, I did. So I have a PG Twitch data. Cool. Did we do the next step? We did. Okay. Let's start with step number 3 then. So we will open up another terminal here. And then we will Docker run. Oh. Let's see. Was this doing... Okay. Sync settings. Oh yeah, this will just remove the Docker Compose, essentially, that I'm already running, which is fine. Sorry, I read through that a little bit quickly just to see what was going on. So essentially right now I'm running my Postgres with Docker Compose, and I want to keep that Docker Compose for the tests that I run. But we don't have a Postgres image yet. I don't think. Look, we do. Oh yeah, it is Postgres. Okay, and I did just start that up. Am I using any ports? No, we're good. We're not conflicting with any ports. That's awesome. So let's try this. Docker run restart always. Name Postgres network, right? And we created that. Dev network. I might just throw this into my run script, my run shell here in a minute. Dev network, and then we're going to add the volumes, which is home. What was it? PG data Twitch _DB. And then he added var lib PostgreSQL data ports 5432. He probably has that aliased, of course. DE. Did I set up a Postgres password with my Docker Compose one? I don't remember. I did, it's Postgres. Postgres. Oh, E, and then it said Postgres password. Postgres _password equals Postgres. E Postgres DB equals, what did I name that? Looks like we don't have a name for it. So we're just gonna, let's just kill these last two since we don't have a name. And let's see what happens. Docker run requires at least one argument. Name, image. Oh, the Postgres is already running, isn't it? Then let's kill it. Docker Compose down. So now it's not running. Maybe we still need to give it a name then. I broke it. It's my fault. My fault, I broke it. Requires at least one argument. Docker run restart always name dev network. Oh, we need to have the name at the end. Right? So we can call this Postgres. What? Oh, it must be an absolute path. I thought it was an absolute path. Did I skip a step? Oh. I don't... Yeah, that's what I skipped, was the image name at the end. Let's just quit these since they're not helping me right now. So, thanks, Classico. Docker run. Command K. Oh, clearly it doesn't remember that. Docker run restart always name, we'll call it PG Twitch network. We've named it, I did name it dev network. Volume. They said this had to be an absolute path, so let's get my PWD from here. And now we have an absolute path. Probably should add a space. And then he added a that colon var lib postgres ql dash data dash p 5432 colon 5432. That's what I'm running on. A Postgres password equals Postgres. I don't have a DB set up. And then he named his Postgres 12. So why don't we just name it Postgres 12? Unable to find a Postgres 12 image locally, so it's pulling Postgres and creating it. That's good, right? This is what we're supposed to be doing, I think. I had to move my stool. Docker, yay Docker! Docker's not my best friend. I've been working on a Docker image for about 3 days now. I need to be able to download some private code as part of the CI/CD, and I had to figure out how to do SSH injection into the Docker container as part of our CI/CD, and then adding stuff to Argo. And apparently now when I compile the Go binary, it has the wrong name, and I can't actually run the container on Kubernetes. So Docker has not been my friend this week. So now, if I do Docker PS, I have a Postgres 12, which is called PG Twitch. So if I go to vim postgres connection.go, it's no longer called Postgres, right? It's called PG Twitch. Incredibly fun. Yeah. It's been very frustrating, not fun. But the truth is, once it's like working, the thing about containerization is that once you get it working, it's beautiful, right? Like, you know that it's going to be stable and it's going to work, and it's going to work in the environments you want it to work in, and it's going to be golden if I could just get the dang thing to run on Kubernetes. What did I call it again? No, I need a Docker PS. PG Twitch, okay. PG Twitch. So now that's up and running. Now let's make sure that we can do our run. And it should connect and run. Unknown driver. Oh, that was the driver. Oops. I did a boo-boo. Then let's, no. So I could just make this be Postgres again. I wonder if it'll still connect. Just because I don't have enough information otherwise. Right? I don't have any other reason why it shouldn't connect, I guess. Because of the lack of information I have due to the fact that it's local. Yeah, there we go. And now I have that volume just always up and mounted locally. Thank you, Josh. Now I have to figure out why we're not reading from Twitch. But, you know, hey, that's the whole point, is figuring out why things don't work and how to make things work and all those good things. So we've been online for 40 minutes, so this is just my reminder. Check out Go West. The conference is coming up. We've got less than a month. Schedule is online. Speakers are online. Sessions are online. Tickets are online. We've got some great sponsors who are all hiring. If you have any more questions, you can hit that command, exclamation point, Go West Conf, and get your tickets. It's free if you go online, and it costs money if you come in person because you expect us to feed you. You know. Oh, look. Only because we will feed you and give you a t-shirt. I can't think of anything else to say. Besides, I got somebody from Google, from the Google. I don't know if they're actually on the Go team, but they work at Google with Go stuff, to come and do an AMA or Q&A or a fireside chat or a come ask me questions at the conference. So, like, everybody should come. I think everybody should come. I think everybody should be there. I think you should be there for sure. And I should update. That script. Dev. That one. The reason being is I want this to, and then I should check if Docker's up, right? Thank you. I worked very hard on this. I spend a lot of time, getting to know people so that I can call in favors. Essentially. So, that still works. And so I was able, I don't know if I actually called in favors or just talked to the right people this time, but they were people I knew and had a rapport with. So, makes me feel good that people from the Go team, right, in Google are supporting a Go conference, right? So this insert message, oh, we can get rid of that. We're not pulling messages yet, so that means that we need to make sure that our Twitch stuff is actually, oh, we added the channels. Yes. Yes. We have an append chat, right? And that runs. And then I remember. And then this is the magic I did that's new. I don't think it's been on Twitch, and it's kind of freaky. So on private message, we have this function called persist chat. Oh, and it was right under there, so I already have it. That's just a reminder that you should check out my conference website. So here on the persist chat, we are going to pull everything from our message queue. We should then insert the message, and if it fails, it should let us know. The other thing we should do is let's just go ahead and print our insert message as well. The reason being is it makes me feel good to see it. Just in the standard out. Right, yeah, so connection. So on private message, we're going to range over the channel, right? The channel is right here. And for all messages in the channel, we will post them, and we will also persist the chat. But how do we... Yeah, but that's for messages I add. What about for your messages? I think I deleted some code. on private message, persist chat. And say everything else. Oh, yes. So that means that if messages were published via RPC, or via the gRPC, they will print there. And then this should print the message that came from Twitch. Whew, that was hard. Okay. Let's run you again. That was really hard. I feel like is the music as loud as my background noise? Is the background noise like? Can you hear the music, or am I the only one listening to music? Do I need to turn it up? Should I throw it through a filter? Because I can. I can throw it through the filter that I have for my mic. And then it would be smart and like go up and down and all that stuff. I want you to be able to enjoy the music when I'm thinking, but I also want you to be able to hear me. Yeah, but if I turn the music up too loud, then nobody can hear me, and I do kind of want you to hear what I'm saying. A little bit. A little bit kind of want you to hear what I'm saying. Okay. So now I should be able to run my curl. Post, tester, test, print check. And that... Are you done? No, that's taken a long time to send. I've never seen music take that long. Good. Okay, maybe I'll just leave it at this forever. This can just be where it sits. So, why did that hang so long? Because it should just... That was really interesting that the curl hung did that long. The reason that's interesting, because if we go to... It's called server, I believe. Server chat. We are just appending. All this should do is this should automatically throw it into the channel. Right? Oh. Is it waiting for that to... Yeah, it does return. Send chat. And then... This message sends. But it shouldn't keep hanging. Like, that's weird. Let me check something out. Look. Okay, if I go back. I'm trying. There we go. I just don't want to chop my head off. I just might have this up a little high. There we go. There we go. Go by example. Channels. Does somebody want to come give me a Go channel talk at my meetup? I'd be down for that. Let's post that. On my Forge Slack. Give a talk on Go channels at a meetup. 'Cause I would really like that. Alright, so ping goes to... Oh, they threw it in a Go funk. I wonder if we should do that. It was. Oh, and then we need to have this at the end. Can you tell that I'm wobbling? Sorry. Run! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, that was a yawn. So... is that 100 days of code in October, or Hacktober, or doesn't somebody have a weird hackathon in October? Am I wrong? I thought there was one. I don't know. COVID killed all of the fun things, even though they all happened remotely. It's not like anybody ever got together. Ah, look at that! That worked like I wanted it to. Cool. And now I can count the output, and it should say nothing because we don't return anything. And now if I hit the debeavers, I should have at least one thing in there. Do you want to know the one thing I don't like about debeaver? It's written in Java. It's the only thing I don't like about it. It's the fact that it's written in Java. Oh, I do have a poll. Okay, get all your friends to participate. So I've been in chats recently with people from Software Engineering Daily. They were looking for guest hosts, and I was like, oh, I can help out. But then... I don't know if you guys follow them, but the owner of the company kind of is in the middle of fighting Facebook. And I didn't want to get in the middle of that. So, I decided to step away. So... but doing a podcast could still be interesting. I think there's a lot of people, don't do that to me, in the area that have great information to share. Oh, look. And then there's lots of, see, this should have posted to your stuff by now. So this is... like, there's lots of people in Utah that have a lot to share in a podcast. Is Hack the U, like, the University of Utah? Do they sponsor that? And is it in person or remote? Let's do a print... LAN, and I want to do it of IRC. Oh, idiot! Look at this. I'm using message twice. IRC.messagequeue. This is the problem. I was trying to test it when I wasn't streaming, and it's really hard to test things when you're not... To test things dependent on a live stream when you're not streaming. I guess technically I could have hacked somebody else's stream, but I don't think they would have appreciated that. So yeah, is Hack the U going to be an in-person event? Because apparently there was a conference here in Utah called Front Conf, which is a horrible name. Front what? Is it an acronym? Is it like short for something? Like, I have no idea what that conference is even about. But there were memes about it, which was great. So that's printing. Oh, it's online. Okay. An online hackathon. Persist chat message. On private message, it's supposed to persist the chat message. And persist message, I know works. Because persist message, persist chat. Oh, is it called persist chat or persist message? Oh, persist chat. You know, that works because we're using it right here. And that's how we save everything to the database. But my prints are not working. They used to work. What if I just do on private message, fumps.println message.text? I broke it. Can't believe I broke it. Go def. Raw. Oh, it's dot message. Well, then why didn't you give me an error? I've never had this running long enough to see if my OAuth actually works. Oh, my camera froze again. I'll just take it off. And one more. No, I misspelled it. Go West Conf. There we go. Cause Gophers are the best. Maybe my connection to the database just isn't working. Maybe that's the issue. No, because these are saving. Did we check that the timestamp for these was today? Thank you, Danielle Lucen. 20 days. That's almost a month. Almost a month. Also, I didn't know followage was a command. Is that something that I just totally missed? So these are being posted today. I'm posting them. So what the heck? Guys, I am getting so hot right now. Ugh. Coding is high stress. Makes me sweat, I guess. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. Join. On connect. It's not connecting. It's not connecting, is it? That's the problem. Look. This should run on connect. It's not connecting anymore. So that means I broke this. Wait, where did my weight go? Didn't I have a weight here? And this... because it doesn't actually return the error. Oh, I fixed that somewhere else. Oh, did I add a... that's what I... I need to add an errors channel. I thought I'd already done that. Oh my goodness! It's so broken! Like, Go functions don't actually return anything. So, like, this... you know, the best thing I can literally do here is print that error for now. Until I get to the point, I need to kill you. Add, see, add error handling. Okay, I do have that. And this needs to wait until that's done. Okay. And this also needs to have a wait. But we need to add to that wait group. Here. Actually, that might not need a wait. I wonder if this was waiting for the Twitch thing. I may have just broken it. But the reason that I added that wait back there was because it's not connecting. So I'm trying to figure out the initialization step. Because I had it connecting. When was the last time I streamed? When was the last time I streamed this project? Because I did Rust 2 weeks ago. Oh gosh. I had it working a month ago. Guys. This is why. That's really long. I think I broke it. I don't think that's actually doing anything. Right, so now I click on this. gives me a code. I paste the code, and that should start up the connection. And then as soon as it connects, it would print here. Obviously that's not happening. I didn't need that wait. Which means I don't need that. Gateway servers configured. Right, this stuff was printing before. My goodness. Will somebody explain to me how I broke it? Can you hear my keyboard? Oh my goodness. So how did that poll go? Did everybody vote? Because I totally didn't pay attention to the results. I can check it later. Right, but essentially, this didn't get run because we didn't have Twitch off, print. Oh, did we add this? Yeah, I added that. That's not what I want. Well, I mean, I do. But I don't think I want the wait there. Because that wait happens already. But we do need that token to be set. Oh, I mean, I can always do this. Do a... let's try hacking something. Which I've done in, oh my gosh. Go to the right place! There we go. I've done this in the past. So you essentially would use a switch. And we can do a, so this would be, I think, a good, but you would switch and essentially just leave it open, which creates a for loop. That just hangs, and then you would only have one case where IRC dot token talk. Oh, kill that. IRC dot talk does not equal nil. Now you tab. Right, and so now this will just hang until this finishes. And that returned completed, and I need to obviously fix the error handling here. Not that I'll have any time to. I'm too busy trying to have a conference. So there we go. Comma. There we go. What day is it? Today's the 1st. What time is it? 3:13. We've been streaming for an hour. How many times have I brought up my conference in an hour? That's a good question. How many times? Throw that in chat. How many times have I brought up Go West in the past hour and 10 minutes? It can be a guess if you haven't been watching for that long. That's totally appropriate. Okay. Did I kill that weight group? Okay, I shouldn't kill the ad. The ad needs to stay for the end, right? Because we still need that done to tick the number down. Okay. Cool. Probably 6+ times. Only 6? I'm serious. I spend more time worrying about that dumb conference than I do at work. I just worry about it while I'm working. You know, just like people messaging me, trying to figure out money, getting sponsorships, trying to talk to speakers, people trying to get booths sorted out. And sponsors, I have to set up the online platform this weekend. Just so much fun. But it'll be worth it when everybody shows up. Okay, we didn't connect. I did not fix that connection problem. I did do one of my print lines hit a 0 though. Hit a null. So that's good. I don't know where. Oh, I bet I can tell you where. This one. So auth Twitch completed and connect. Failed to connect over IRC. This is you. This is theirs. Auth Twitch. Let's hit this. We'll do a func.print line. Connection. Seriously, this worked when it was just a map. Always works when it's just a map. Okay. Let's see if my camera's happy now. Should we plug that camera back in? So my cam link overheats. That's the problem with the camera. Is the cam link actual like HDMI to USB adapter overheats, and that's why I freeze. Isn't that stupid? Okay. Still not connecting. What did I do in that last PR? Should we go check? Oh, sorry if I contagiated anybody with a yawn. August 31st? Told you it's been a month. I told you it has been an entire month since I had this working. Run gRPC with a weight group. We pulled that out. Switch for source. We weren't, okay. Okay, we added an append chat function. Get chat. We don't actually call that. Yeah, we want that. I think I'm gonna kill that. Pen chat, send chat. Added weight group, added weight group, added weight group, added weight group, yes. I thought I had it working. Oh, we did have a weight. And we had a hard-coded done. Interesting. And we had our queue. I swear it was working at this point. But it was running a nil pointer. Actually, let's add that local Postgres one to get ignore, since it's not mine. There we go. That should work. Commit message, say, Chatty Brokes. Do I have a followage on myself? What? I'm not following myself? What kind of circular world is that? Create a pull request, then we can really see our diffs. But something about this broke it. I'm tempted to add that back. Thanks, Wildest Times. Wildiest Times. We've been having a blast. Tell your friends. Tell your friends to come hang out. We can have a watch party. Hang out with me and watch me break Go code. Break live demos. I really thought I had this working. Like, I wanted to be able to run it. Sail smooth. This is why, if we do a chat capture for my conference, I'm not using mine. I'm going to use somebody else's. Because that's the last thing I need, is to be trying to debug while running a hybrid conference, right? That's essentially having two conferences. Two conferences and no party planners. Not my fault. It's not my fault we didn't have enough money for a party planner. Maybe next year. Okay, let's go check out those diffs. Pull request creation failed. What? Okay. All my checks passed, which means it compiles. I thought we killed that. Yeah, I want to delete that file. I just told you. Come on. Thank you. Refresh. If you want to look at this code, you can just type !code. It'll pull this GitHub repo right up for you. If anybody is wondering why my code sucks, feel free to go leave a comment. I've had lots and lots of helpful comments. I bet that was the nil that I got. Lots of helpful comments. So !code's where it's at. Woo! Twitch endpoint. Yeah, I know, I literally just did that. Added a done. Okay, I'm gonna revert some of the things from this, particularly because I know this one worked. This one worked, I mean. And I've done too many good things. This is fine. But particularly in that connection, this statement. In the setup Twitch, in the off, right before, we had a wait down here. I don't think we need one. Like, I really don't, but that was there. Which is really interesting. Well, I would rather have it here than down here, right? We don't need that. Oh, that's why. We need to defer. That wait's not going to do anything without a defer. Google says it's 3:30 p.m. and I should go take a walk. What do you think? Okay, that wait went back, and notice after that wait is now completed, this is listening, this is listening. I like that. Still no things on. Oh, chat. Okay, I need to go get a drink. These studio lights have me going crazy. So let's take a 15-minute break. Or 5. My timer just automatically hits 15. So I'm gonna take a break. I'll be right back with a drink because I'm getting too hot for this.
years are gone. Euphoria at the bottom line, I lie afraid. Are we in the same place? Falling. I'll be the
I'm back. I got distracted. Oh, I was supposed to open my back door for my dogs. Oh well. I got a little bit distracted with conference stuff. I got an email from Google. How many can say they get emails from Google? I mean, I can. But I'm cool like that. Where'd my camera go? I don't know, my camera's not showing up. Yes! That's the whole point. That's why I run the conference. I don't know what happened to my camera. Oh well. Yeah, that's the whole point. Why I can run a conference is I know people. That's literally why my co-organizer asked me to help with a conference. Is because I know people. I mean, hey, if I didn't know people, I wouldn't get on podcasts, and I wouldn't speak at conferences, and I wouldn't get emails from Google. You realize that Google has like how many thousands of employees that send how many thousands of emails? Like, at some point. Why is my camera? I don't know why my camera's broken. There's nothing I can do about it. I thought I was being smart. Last time, okay. I'm not gonna try and fix that camera. So you just get my voice narrating everything I'm doing. So I'm gonna hang out here for another hour. We're gonna have another hour of content. But first thing first, let's change that name of what we're doing. Because I think the description is no longer descriptive. Okay, look at all these people that stream on Friday afternoons. Isn't that a bit ridiculous? Everybody streams on Friday afternoon. I thought it was just gonna be me, but no, it's like everybody. Let's edit stream info. Yeah, you do. Twitch chat capture, is that accurate? I don't think I updated the tags either. Oh well. You guys found me. Oh man, now I'm thinking about work. I'm supposed to be thinking about Twitch chat. Okay. Ah! Sure. Suffering from success. I don't have ADHD, and I feel bad for people that do, because if I get so easily distracted by all of the multitasking I do, I couldn't imagine if, like, I had ADD or ADHD or something that literally inhibited my ability to focus. Because that's just insane. Okay. So the problem is, this Twitch Connect, for all we know, isn't even running. And this isn't getting hit. So let's just... Here's the I need to work on this more frequently than once a month, but I just have this with the conference coming up. I'm not gonna work on this until November. I promise you. I promise you this is just all me hacking for no reason. And then we have a return. Let's just print that. And we're getting rid of the errors.wrap. Because that's not standard practice anymore. Error F. And then we want to do %W. Same thing here. Error F. Those dogs. Okay. And then we want to return a %sign. After I stream, I usually post my PRs to a local Slack, a local community Slack that I'm on, the Forge Slack. I swear that there's a link for that on my Twitch. And they do give me really good feedback, and one of the feedbacks they gave me was to quit using the errors.wrap because it's old and antiquated. So I did. So there we go. I swear, my phone just like got mad at me. What else are we doing? Errors wrap, that too. Arrows wrap. Errors, it was a package, I think I still have it somewhere that I was using. See this GitHub package errors? They have a .wrap that I have been using in the past because it's very similar to an internal library I use at work at Weave. If you want to know where I work, you can do !hiring and that'll have all your information point at Weave. I was advised to no longer use that, so I quit using it. And I mean, I didn't go and clean up everything. I've just kind of been cleaning it up as I go. Oh, that means auth. We should kill the return now that we're not returning anything. Cool. And then we still want this to be if error does not equal nil. That's when that print. There we go. Thanks for hanging out with me so long, Classico. That's a trooper be here for so long. Yeah, it tends to happen. I am not working. Had a long week at work. I think we've resolved all of my bugs now. And by that, I'm gonna rewrite all my code. But, Friday afternoons are for streams, not for works. Yeah, also, we don't do anything open source, so, like, I really can't co-work well on Twitch, because all of our code's proprietary. So, you know, I just say, if you want your company to look good, you let me go promote you on the interwebs. So, yeah, I wish they did a better job of that, though. Like, connection completed. Interesting. But it shouldn't say connection completed. And nil. Because that connect IRC, well, that meant that the token was set. Interesting that it said that before I authed. Maybe the token is independent of that. It shouldn't be. Especially since I didn't post anything on Twitch. Like, this Connect still didn't run. Right? I think I just broke it. Broke it! There we go. Now we're back to the same problem. The nil pointer. And that's why I think we should have an IRC, but I don't know. Here's the thing. It's like wait group dot wait. But I don't think we need one. I think this is overkill. Is this overkill? Okay. Okay, so now it didn't say that. Got that. Now it should say weight group done. And it doesn't. And that's right. And that's kind of where I'm like, well, poops. If we hard code it though, does it? That might. No, that doesn't fix it. I fixed this problem. I know I fixed this problem. It was working before I merged it. I know I had it working before I merged it. But like, honestly, I have stepped so far away from this. It's almost like, should I abandon my project and start over? Because I would really like to connect Discord to it. Like, that's like my goal. My goal is to have Twitch and Discord unified. I don't think we should do this. I think the weight is fine, but I think that token needs to be passed a different way. Right? Like, we need to not run it until it's set, and I think... What kind of type is this? I'm wondering if I should use a channel again. All I've heard is don't use Go channels. And I'm like, but what if I need them? Well, what if I just did this? What if I did that? No new variables. Okay. I don't have any more brain power for this. I'm just gonna run around in circles for the next little bit. Start Twitch connection. Notice how it didn't print complete connection completed, but I'm connected. Interesting. Okay, I'm gonna hit a defer on this back to where I had it on the front. And we can just stick that right here at the front, right? And then the other thing we want to do is we want to test this. And this should get posted to the Twitch chat by me. Look at that! Yeah, it's blocking. No, it's not really. I mean, yes, it was, and that's why this weight handled that. So with the defer up there, the other thing I need to do, I believe, is I need to add another weight group. I can kill that? I think. Oh, I do add that weight group, okay. crispy Go code. It's sure something. Did you see that? Classico? It's working like I expect it to do. I don't know what that's printing. But seems to be behaving appropriately. Undefined add. Where did I stick you? And that should start Twitch connection. That's perfect. TwitchBot is connected. All of the weights work the way they're supposed to. Oh, that was too hard. Oh my goodness. Thanks. Let's stick a success on there. I like how the timestamp is just hard-coded. Success W. That's amazing. That's amazing. Oh my gosh, can't believe I fixed it. Okay. Let's quit everything here. Save and push. And I am going to call that a day on this project. I'm not done. I'm not done streaming, but I want this to be clean and working, right? So I'm going to keep it running, actually. And we'll just go down here. Really, that's all I changed was this one file? That's pathetic. Oh my gosh. What? Oh, yep. Let's do a git pull. Gite pull! I can't believe that worked. Okay, let's throw this up for the friends to check out. You hear those puppies barking? I think we need some celebration emotes. Celebration emotes are always puppies. There we go. There's those celebration emotes. They're tiny. Okay. Anybody who wants to review this? I'm not gonna put it on Twitter because that's too much. But chats are enough. Chats are enough. Well, so should we connect to Discord? Should we see if we can just spin up a separate branch that shouldn't affect anything? Oh, look, you can see. Oh, that's. Thank goodness that's public. Just open this without any kind of awares. We're just gonna keep you running. And then, where's my curl? What? Why did it stop? It's not running anymore. Why did it time out? Okay. Oh, and now it has to wait for somebody to post. That's interesting. Okay, well that's just gonna keep running. So let's do a main ggl, which is get pull, and then we will get checkout branch, and we will call this October 1 Discord. Right? Cool. Now let's see if we can. We'll make a directory called Discord. And then we can mbam Discord main.go. And we'll just start a new main.go. And you guys can't even see that. Let's throw this onto that side and this over here so you can see the code. Since this is just gonna kind of hang out running. And we'll just move forward with that. I'm so confused as to why the camera's not working. Cool. Okay, so let's see what we need to do to connect to Discord. I bet there already is one. I bet there already is one. See, look. I even had it open once, so this is clearly what I was planning on using. Oh, somebody, That's funny. Should we just use this? Troubleshooting, go Discord example. Awesome, go Discord. Discord API dash unofficial dash comparison. Oh, the WebSocket versus the rest. So these are all examples. Okay, cool. Awesome, Discord is a wiki. A list in no order at all of Oh, these are just projects that use the library. Cool. Okay, so let's go back to those examples. Slash commands, example of avatar components, context menus, add DM ping pongs. And then did we open that reference? Ooh, look at all of that. That's a whole thing. Well, 2,000 people are using it. Let's go ahead and add it to that README. Had a pretty active stream so far today. Let's see. Let's go get it. There's a Discord Gophers chat server? How have I never been on that? I'm on the Slack one. I should be on the Discord one. I do a lot of Go. I'm not a student hub. Yeah. Oh, there's Discords on here that aren't on my personal one. Yeah. Like this Elgato one. It's not on my personal one. That's interesting. Copy that one. So now this will come on my, there we go. Okay, that's all I wanted. I don't need to move the Elgato Discord over. Okay, so back to our example. Well, no. We're just gonna go get. Down here. Go get Discord Go. Cool. So let's import you. Import should happen automatically. plus authentication token. Ooh. I think my authentication token for Discord is already saved in my secrets. And what's the bot name? Cool. Oh, look, yeah, I do have a token. I just want to copy you. And then this should be, we'll call you again, auth token, and you should be os.get and Discord. Let's hide my screens for a minute. Look at that amazing website. Should all just visit there real quick. Just hang out there for a minute. Maddie Two Shoes, thanks for the raid. How you doing? You welcome? Hanging out. Sorry, my camera's down. But thanks for coming and joining me. Welcome back. Couple of you coming back. We're doing good. I just got my Twitch stream working for the second time, and now I am ooh, thanks for the subs. We've got two ADHD designer and Mary Jo Stabler. We are trying to connect. I got my Twitch bot connected, and now we're going to be using this awesome Go Discord library to connect to Discord, right? Like, just moving on. Right? The goal is to be able to integrate Discord and Twitch all the times. Where's my examples? So, ping pongs. I just want the main.go. So we have a bot token. I literally, that noob, it is just like the easiest Photoshop job. It just got stapled. That's a good one. Yeah, that goat. Okay. Should I just copy and paste this? I don't know. I don't know if I should just copy and paste it, but we can at least print an error if it doesn't work, right? Derp. How would you rickroll Primogen? Like, that would be quite a feat. Oh, awesome. That's when, if she did it, then you'd use the phrase. Thank you. They're not the best Vim skills, but they are Vim skills, that's for sure. Let's try this. Nope, not that one. Go run Discord. Oh, log.fatal. Why didn't that import? I swear it's log.fatal. Oh, fatal ln. Oh, it's the capital F. That's why. Well, I don't know what to do with it yet. That's a good point. Don't know what to do with that Discord thing. I just want to make sure it doesn't give me an error. Cool. Oh, I don't. Should we use the... What Discord was I even using? Don't you have to... Oh, I don't have any bot permissions. View channel, send message, public threads, send message in threads. I know! I'm 11 away from that follower goal. We've only been working on it for the past 2 streams. Like, this isn't good. This is pretty good for now, right? Okay. Permissions, integer. Okay, what do I need to do for this sucker? Slash command voice receive ping pong context menu components. Next goal 420. Should I always double it? I was just trying to break 200 and then challenge myself. But look, we're 1 short of 200, so. I was thinking, I was trying to decide if it was more worthwhile to have a follower goal or a subscription goal. And I decide since I don't even have 200 followers, I should start with the follower goal. But we can double it each time. Double it each time, and then we'll just add the subscription goal on top of it, right? Like once we break 500 followers, then say I need 10 subscriptions. And then double that each time. Does that work? Can you double? Isn't that like that infinite thing? Like it's an exponential growth and just ends up breaking itself? Interaction respond button. Oh, that's way more complicated than what I want. This example demonstrates how to use Discord Go to create a Discord bot, a ping pong bot. This bot will respond to ping and pong. Ping with pong and pong with ping. Go build. Oh. New. Add handler. Oh. It just uses handlers and it names them. Oh, that's really nice. We'll just do this then. Open WebSocket connection. Okay. I feel like they should have a getting started on this repo. Because it doesn't really. I don't think opening this was actually very helpful. Okay. So first thing we should do is add the handler. Oh my gosh. Discord.add handler. And then we'll name it. And this handler will be called function. I don't know. Check. I don't know. We're just gonna send a message for now. Send a response. I have to actually add the spot to like a thing, won't I? Yes, that's a legitimate thing. I think that is literally the hardest part of programming. Would you disagree? I do think the hardest part is coming up with names, because people are going to call you an idiot no matter what you do. Even if you come up with the most perfect name, someone will call you an idiot for doing it. 100%. I 100% think that's always the case. See? You can't make anybody happy. I don't know. I was trying to look at that README, make sure I got that I satisfied the correct interface. Okay. So now this will satisfy the interface, and so I can call send response. Me and you are the same music spirit animals? I've been listening to this channel, this music channel, for like, I don't know, 6 months. It's just enough hype. You know, a little bit of EDM, a little bit of hype, but not too distracting. Oh, Classico, you hung out long enough to meet another streamer. He's been with me all stream, Matty Two Shoes. 2.5 hours. Been hanging out with me. So we do s.send message. And then we do an m.content. Okay. So I can just say my ETL video. What ETL video? Well, I mean, if you love it and you happen to live in the United States and or India, you should come work with my team, because that's all we do. Revamp the ETLs. Oh, your ETL stuff, Matty Two Shoes? Yeah, there we go. But if you like it, you should still come work with me. I was trying to figure out if I don't remember ever making an ETL video. So that's why I was really confused. That makes more sense. So they're saying that this has content. So if m.content, I'm just saying, if you want a job. Argentina! I'm sorry. Then my HR is just stupid. And you unfortunately have to suffer because my department doesn't want to hire everybody. They just don't want to deal with taxes. It was for a long time. Yeah, I mean, I don't care. I would love it. But the HR at Weave doesn't want to deal with taxes. Oh. What does it send message? How do we get all the Argentines here? Argentinos! Hey, Argentina is a way better time zone than India. I've been to Buenos Aires. Like a long time, many moons ago. Was that right? Channel send a message. I should... I'm just saying, it was barely a year ago that they decided it was okay to hire people from different states, let alone different countries. So, I mean, I think we should. Hey, everybody should get tickets to my conference. I don't think I've mentioned that in the last 15 minutes. I'm doing a Go conference, guys. It's in like 3 weeks. Is it really 3 weeks? Oh, F, that's in 3 weeks. Oh, I'm not ready. I personally am not ready. The conference will be awesome. We've got great speakers. We got people from Google coming. If you love Go, it has everything Go. And only Go, because Go is the best programming language. Don't I have to set a channel? Okay, cool. Oh yeah, it'll be fine. I mean, to be fair, the biggest part of any conference is the speakers, right? And so as long as the speakers deliver, then I'm pretty good. The rest of it's just coordination. And luckily, most of our speakers will be pre-recording their talks. So then I just have to make sure I don't break the live stream, which I did last year. But that was before I knew how to work Twitch. So and so I needed to do investigate intent, because I have no idea what they do. And luckily I don't organize it by myself. We've got a team that'll be there. So open WebSocket connection to Discord. Let's throw this up there. Oh, but it's not called DG. It's called Discord. Nope. Called Discord again. This opens WebSocket connection. And I want to do a log.fatal if it breaks. And then I want W. I want an error F. And then we can do log dot fatal ln. Okay. So now that, oh, and I'll just defer that. Discord.close. And then I don't know what they're doing with this channel. Oh, bot is now running. Make channel. Oh, that's just the control C syscall. We're good. Should we run it? Too late. I'm already running it. Let's send channels. It's it's send channel message send, not whatever I ship it. Oh my gosh. And I set channel ID is capitalized. Yeah. Run it. Exit status. Authentication failed. Good. I'm not doing it right. So I think... Oh, I need to set up auth. Right here where it says OAuth. Oh, I have a client ID. Oh, I have to do this with another redirect URL? No. I have to add what? What did we do? It was like localhost. I mean, I just did this for Twitch. I'll show you. I've done my fair share of OAuth things, but I'm lying. I have not done my fair share of OAuth things. I've done my fair share of authenticationing, authing, at work. But this was the first time I had a redirect URL and I had a whole thing, and it was like running it smart. And yeah, I've never had to do that before, but it looks like, see, I have 8081. 8080 is already running, so let's do 8001. Okay, cool. Oh, I don't want to save that. 8001. Please select at least one OAuth scope. I think I need these. And then I have those. Learn more about OAuth. Is it gonna tell me how to build it? Oh, yes. Yes. So I need to hit the token. It's gonna pull up the URL. And then it's pretty much gonna run exactly like the Twitch one. That's not bad. Cool. Well, I'm gonna shut it down. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. It's been fun, but I don't want to redo OAuth. Like, it's dinner time. I'm ready for dinner. Plus, I've got to go figure out some oh, of course I always send love with the raid. So, I'm gonna go say hi to my friend Jordan. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Feel free to hang out with me Tuesday at the Utah Go meetup. That will be, you can find us on Meetup. Everybody's welcome to go. Thanks for hanging out with me. Yeah, he's the best, Jordan. He's the best. Follow him. See you guys next time.
Around and I shut it down. Clown around and I shut it down. Clown around and I shut it down. Shut it down. Shut it down. Clown around and I shut it down. Clown around and I shut it down. Clown around and I shut it down. Shut it down. Shut it down. Down, 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 down. Clown around and I shut it down. Around and I shut it down. Around and I